Hello guys, welcome to another video of Flectra. So today we are going to see about how we can set up a beauty store using Flectra. So let's start with how to add the products. So for that we'll just go to the website and the product section and the products. As of now we are not having any product added over here, so we'll just create a new one and add the name. So for example, we just need to add eyeliner, so I'll just write a name. That's a product name that can be sold and that can be purchased. There are three types of product, that is consumable, service and storable product. So we'll just go with the storable product. We can add the price. Right now we'll add this $6, and we can add the category, in which category we just want to add this particular product. We can add the tax from here, and if you're not having any tax, we just leave it blank. Now variants, if we have multiple variants, for example this is the kind of product that it's having variant, so for example related to size or color, so we can add the variants according to that. Then as the sales, for the invoicing policy, which in order quantity or in delivered quantity, we can add the optional products over here, and here we can add the description of the product. And e-commerce, we can add the website. If we are using multiple websites, we can add the website and the categories over here, and we can set the availability of the product, and we can add the alternative products and accessory products from here. Now after that, this is the purchase. We can add the vendor bills, and from inventory we can add the inventory related option. Now let's add the image of the product. So for that, over here we'll just go with add it, and let's add the image of the product. So here we have added one image. If you are having multiple images, then you can go to e-commerce and add over here the extra product media. You can add the multiple images using this. Okay, so we have added this product. Now we'll just add the quantity of the product. So for that, just go over here and quantity. So for example, we are having 10 quantity. So here we have added the product. Right now it's not published. We can see over here in unpublished section. Let's just open the product, and okay, so we have added the general information, that the variants we are not having right now, the sales, e-commerce, purchase and inventory related option. So now using all of these options, you can add your product easily over here. So after that, we'll see how we can add the promotions, coupons, and also we'll see how we can add the payment methods and shipping methods in our store. So for that, we'll start with first with promotions, how we can add the promotions in our products and how we can use it. So for that, go to the website, and in product section there is the promotion programs. So we have added some promotions over here. So let's just open first. That is the code for 10% orders. Let me click on edit. So that is our title for the promotion. So over here we'll apply 10% discount on the order, on the total order, and here we'll find some conditions that we can be apply the condition on based on the customers, on based of the products. here is the quantity. We can select the quantity and how much quantity we just want to offer that discount. Then there is the minimum purchase of amount, that what is the minimum purchase of the amount, and we can use as in tax included or in tax excluded. And promo code usage, that will be automatically applied or you just want your customer to apply a code. So here we have selected user code, and there is the promotion code. Now here we can write the promotion code, that what will be your code that your customer will write, and then they can use that discount offer. So here we have added code as in max 10, so that will be our code. After that we can select the validity. First is the website, that in which website, if you're using multi-website, then in which website that you want to use. Then apply on first, that whether you just want to apply on the first order or you just want to want an infinite use. Then we can add the date, what will be the start date and what will be the end date. So this is our start date and that will be our end date. Now after that there is the rewards. Now first is the applicability, so that is apply on the current order. And the reward, we just want to give it reward as in discount or a free product or in free shipping. So here we have selected the discount. Now after that, what will be the amount? We just want to give as in percentage wise or in fixed amount. So you can go with the percentage wise or you can add the amount. So here we have added the percentage and that is the 10%. Now discount apply on the whole order, on cheapest product or on specific products. So if you are you have added any specific products and only on that product you just want to apply the discount, so that is, for that we just need to select the on specific products. Now here we have selected the on total order. Also you can limit on basis of the maximum discount amount, set that, so you can set as in maximum amount, so that will be your max amount. Above that will be no discount. So we have added the conditions. Now let's just save this one, okay, and go to our front store and check this one. So our promo code is max 10. So this is our front store. Let me go to the product and I'm adding this product. I'll go to the checkout and here is the option of I have a promo code. Now here I can write a promo code that is max 10 and then I'll just click on apply. So as I just click on apply, so as we can see there is the return, the 10% discount on total amount. So discount has been calculated and my final amount will be $13.50. So that is how easily we can use this promotions and coupons program. Now let's just go to the backend and here will be the coupon program. Okay, so that's that would be the same, but here you will find some less options if you just compare to the promotion program. If you are just using on a small scale, and you can use this coupon program over here. Now after that, to add the payment acquires and the shipping methods, we just need to go in configuration. So here is the option of payment acquires. So as you can see, these are the default payment gateways that Flectra will offer to you. So anyone, if you just want to use, so for example it's a people, so what you need to do, you just need to install it and just add your credentials over here and started using it. That's it. So currently we have enabled the wire transfer over here. So that is the payment acquires, and if you just want to use any third-party payment gateway apart from that, that is also you can use. So you just need to create and develop that one. Now after that there is the shipping method. Now what will be the shipping prices if you just want to provide a free shipping or you have any normal delivery charges, so that you can set up from here. So if you are providing the free delivery, then you can add the shipping gateway as in free delivery charges, and then you can set the pricing according to that. Now if you are charging any normal delivery charges, then as we can see, there is the normal delivery charges. Provider would be as a fixed price. We can select the delivery products. Now here also we have provided the option of free if order amount is above. Now we can set the amounts. If for example, if I just on $100, so that would be free if my order amount is above $100. So that is the functionality that Flectra will be providing, and that is the pricing. So currently the fixed price is $10. We can set the destination availability and also the description. So from here we cancel this one. From the shipping methods we can establish shipping methods.